wonderful people, my fans and friends. Greetings from me to you. Greetings and blessing. We are in spring. Do you remember last year I make you a drink I couldn't show my face because my allergy was bothering me? I had it controlled. Spring, look at me. Colors, have every color you want. Lose weight, lose weight, lose weight. I'm losing, right? We are going to make a healthy drink that will help you to lose weight. No much sugar, natural. Okay? We are going to make lemonade. Okay? 3 different kinds of drink today. We are going to make strawberry lemonade. Then we'll make pineapple mango juice and strawberry lemonade and regular lemonade. So 3 drinks, okay? Bear with me, please. Spring, 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 spring. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Losing weight, losing weight. Yeah! I have the pineapple, okay? I have 2 mangoes, strawberry, lemon, of course. That's the star of the show, and a ginger. So we are making 3 different kinds of juice, all right? Before I do my lemonade, every lemonade needs something called simple syrup, okay? So simple syrup requires sugar. So I'm using half cup of sugar. I'm going to put hot water on top of the sugar. That's what we call a simple syrup, okay? The lemon needs to be washed well because we are going to use the zest, the lemon zest, to create our simple syrup. Oh, now you can tell. Hold on, Junior. You see how all the zest is up here? That's what I'm talking about. I'm cutting my lemon, okay? Now we are pouring the water, okay? About 4 cups of water. So the reason why I pour hot water, I want the sugar to melt, okay? To squeeze the lemon and get a juice. Now you can see all the lemons. And if you don't have this to zest the lemon, it's okay. You don't have to zest the lemon. You can just use hot water and sugar to create your simple syrup without zest, okay? We are going to strain this. You see how this sieve it? You just have to pass it through again to the strainer. Now we have our lemonade. Because it's too strong, the 10 lemon, I'm going to pour cold water and a lot of ice in. Okay, now our lemonade is done. Junior is pouring ice on it. Today, Junior is helping Mama a lot. This is the glass Junior want to use. Okay, Junior, this is yours. When your children are going to school summer and you want them to drink healthy drink, make your own lemonade home. Now, this is the first part of the drinks. Cheers! Refresh drink. Which one I should go first? This one or that one? Let's go first. I'm going to go ahead and do the strawberry lemonade. I'm going to cut this pineapple in pieces. The strawberry is already cut. The mango is already washed. I'm going to cut it, and the ginger. And see how we are going to put these ingredients to make 3 spring refresh drink, okay? Okay, guys, now let's go for our second drink, strawberry lemonade. I washed the strawberry and cut it, so it's going to the blender. Because it's strawberry lemonade, we are going to pour some lemonade that we made before. Pour it in. Okay, guys, now our strawberry lemonade is done. All right, so let's put our ice. pineapple. Now 2 drinks is finished. We are going to the last and third drink. I cut a whole pineapple. Okay, you can use a whole pineapple. I have about 5 cups of water here. It depends how many people are drinking. And the pineapple is going to the blender too. Then we'll grab our water. I'm putting a whole big chunk of ginger, about 4 tablespoons of ginger. So this ginger is going in. I almost forgot. Let's go ahead and blend it again. Turn the blender off. Let's see how it looks. Pour it into this jar. Okay, you see how much I have it? Whole 1 pineapple and 2 mango. Junior, pour the ice in. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Yes! Pour the ice in. Congratulations. You make yourself 3 drinks. The ice is in here. We are going to pour some in the cup and see how delicious it looks. Aren't you jealous, family chef? Let's pour it to the cup. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Jesus Christ. This is like smoothie type. Okay, guys. This is the end of my video. You can see all the 3 drinks. This is the lemonade. This is the mango and pineapple drink. This is strawberry lemonade. You have all this that you are going to store it on your refrigerator. When your children are going to school, you can pour some in their juice container or water bottle. Instead of go out and buy all the sugar made, you can pour some for yourself too. Put it in your car. When you really want to drink juice, you drink it. This is the strawberry, okay? Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for everything. My fans, I need your subscribe, okay? Subscribe for me and like and share to your friends. Cheers, family chef.